Hey everyone! Welcome back to Car Release TV, your go-to channel for the latest car reveals, reviews, and expert insights. Today, we've got something special, the 2026 Mazda CX-30, a compact crossover that blends style, performance, and everyday practicality. If you're looking for a car that's sleek, sporty, and fun to drive, stick around because this one is a game changer. Stunning exterior design. At first glance, the new CX-30 immediately grabs attention with its Kodo design language, a sleek, flowing aesthetic that screams elegance and motion. The front showcases a bold, curved grille that seamlessly integrates with sharp LED headlights equipped with daytime running lights. This not only enhances visibility but also gives the car a premium and confident look. Moving along the sides, the sculpted body lines create a dynamic sense of motion, even when the car is at a standstill. The sloping roofline adds a sporty, coupe-like touch without sacrificing SUV practicality. At the rear, sleek LED taillights stretch horizontally, giving the CX-30 a modern and wide stance, further enhancing its sophisticated appeal. This crossover is the perfect blend of sportiness and elegance, making it a head-turner on the road. Power and efficiency under the hood. Mazda provides multiple powertrain options to match different driving preferences. The 2.0-liter Skyactiv G four-cylinder engine delivers a perfect mix of power and efficiency, making it ideal for both city and highway driving. For those craving more punch, there's an available 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine, offering stronger acceleration and a more dynamic feel. Both engines come with a 6-speed or 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and improved fuel economy. Mazda has engineered the CX-30 to provide the best of both worlds, performance and efficiency, making it a top contender in the compact crossover segment. So, what do you think of the 2026 Mazda CX-30? Is it the perfect crossover for you? Let us know in the comments below. And we'll see you in the next video.